Travel Diaries Travel Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get travel planning wrong. They rely on generic guides or random recommendations. The surprising truth about Travel Diaries is that it offers personalized travel experiences, curated tips, and hidden gems, and you won't believe how much easier it makes exploring new destinations. Here's how it works. Travel Diaries provides detailed guides, itineraries, and insights tailored to your destination and interests. You get local recommendations, cultural tips, and off-the-beaten-path experiences that typical travel apps don't highlight. For example, if you are visiting Barcelona, Travel Diaries not only lists popular attractions, but also recommends quiet tapas bars, local festivals, and scenic walking routes. Most people get this wrong. They assume all travel apps are the same, but Travel Diaries emphasizes authentic, immersive experiences. Additional features include downloadable guides, interactive maps, travel budgeting tools, and suggestions for sustainable travel. Users praise the convenience, depth of information, and ability to plan meaningful trips without endless research. However, there are considerations. Some niche destinations may have limited content, and premium features may require subscription. Most people assume Travel Diary means journaling. It's actually a practical planning and discovery tool. In conclusion, Travel Diaries is ideal for travelers who want curated, authentic, and practical guidance to make every trip memorable and stress-free. It's like having a local friend guide you through every destination. Subscribe for more honest reviews of travel and planning tools.